Hey guys, Eric with Retro Rides. Another weekend and we got more louvers to do. Made up this little panel here to show customers what their louvers might look like all stacked together. I've made a few of them and they just kind of disappear, but I got more. But that's not it. We have a lot more louvers. I got 180 louvers to punch here. That's going to be quite the job, mainly because this is 18 gauge, a little thicker, probably the max thickness that I care to do, also pushing it a little bit. So I don't know, we've done 18 before, shouldn't be an issue. Let's get rolling. These are side panels for a little art project the customer has. It's doing one of the hoods over the car hood over like a door on a shop, outside door. These are little hood sides for it. Many of you guys have seen the louver videos before. I've done a ton of them. YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, they're all over the place. So, but if you're new, thank you guys for joining and watching. This isn't your typical hood punch, just a bunch of flat panels, but there's a lot of louvers. Pretty quick, pretty easy. So you guys can see, the thing with the 18 gauge is that you don't get the cleanest edges on here. I know it's hard to see, so you got to come back and file them, clean them up a little bit, but yeah, this will be good. A little display. I'll pop a hole right there, hang it up. But it's also good because if people bring in parts, I can lay it right on their hood or whatever and they can kind of see what it looks like. So yeah, 180 to go. One panel down. I haven't really counted all these yet because there's a couple spots in here that get a little tight for squeezing in louvers. One up the top there. I could probably squeeze one in there, but eventually the customer here is going to weld an edge on this and shape it a little bit. So I'm going to leave him a little bit of room to work with. We'll count them when we're done. And now I need to jump on to the next panel. All wrapped up. 176 louvers. Took a little bit. That 18 gauge is pretty tough on this machine here. Probably could upgrade the RAM on it, but in most cases, we don't punch 18 gauge, it's usually car stuff. So not a problem there. Whole bunch of louvers here. I also did another little side project on louvers, but yeah, I'll wrap this one up. Another louver job down. Thanks, guys.